How to link a credit card or debit card to PayPal account. Let's get started. Launch your PayPal app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the top left corner, you're gonna find 3 bars. Click on that. You'll be directed to the menu page. Now over here, you're gonna find different option. Navigate to the option of Add Banks and Cards. Now, here you're gonna find 2 options, bank or debit and credit card. Select the option of debit and credit card. Link your card. You can use scan or you can type in your card details manually. Select the option of your choice. Now provide your card details, card number, expiration date and CVV. Also provide the billing address. After you provide all the details, click on Link Card. With that, the card will be linked to PayPal account. Also, you can use the option of scan given over here. You have to scan the front and back of your card. With that, the card details will be automatically updated to the PayPal. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily link your credit or debit card to PayPal. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.